Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Today we're going to make a very rich, savory, and comforting 炸酱面 Chinese fried sauce noodles. We can also call it the Chinese meat sauce. It's easy to make at home and so delicious. Let's get started. We're going to use 8 ounces of ground pork. Of course, you can also use ground beef, or you can use diced pork or beef. Now let's put the sauce together. Here our first sauce, soybean sauce. I know normally you don't use this kind of sauce. Even myself, I don't use so often. It's made of soybeans. We need about 2 tablespoons. And we need this called sweet flour sauce. This is also made from soybeans, but add sugar so it has a sweet taste. It's more loose like this. So we need 1 tablespoon. And to balance the savory taste, we add some sugar, about a teaspoon sugar. To enhance the flavor, we add some cooking wine, about a tablespoon cooking wine. And some water. It's about 1/4 cups of water, and just mix it well. So this will be our 炸酱面 sauce, very savory and with a little bit sweetness. We also need some garnish. I have 1 green onion. Separate the white part from the green part, and just cut it very thinly like this. And the green part. We also need the cucumber. I'm gonna have half of the cucumber. You can also add other vegetables like carrots. Cut into slices, thin slices like this first. This really gives freshness and balance the rich sauce. For the noodles, I'm going to use the dried Chinese noodles, fly noodles. Don't they look like a linguine? And we're ready to cook. I'm heating up oil over high heat. Use avocado oil. You can use any neutral oil. We're going to fry the pork. We're going to fry till the meat is golden brown. After a few minutes, you can see our pork is golden brown, and also not much fat came out because this pork is pretty lean. And we're going to set aside. Now we turn the heat to low, add more oil. Yeah, this sauce has a very visible oil. Home version will put less oil. Now pour our sauce. Bring this to boil slowly. Now sauce started bubbling. Cover it. Let it simmer about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now we are going to combine pork with the sauce. And let this simmer about another 5 minutes. If you have time, you can do longer, but we're hungry. While we're waiting for the sauce, it's time to cook our noodles. This is going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's open up and turn the heat to medium so we can let some liquid evaporate. And let me taste it quickly. I think we need a little bit more sugar to balance the savory taste. And for the color, if you have a dark soy sauce, add a little bit of dark soy sauce. Wow. Now let's add the white part of green onions. Our sauce is ready. After a few minutes, our noodles are ready too. Let's assemble our noodles. Finish up with some cucumber. Here comes the sauce. This is for 2-person portion, so we need a lot of sauce. Should I mix up first?
You should. It looks amazing.
Wow. Glistening, umami, savory. Cheers!
Cheers.
Wow. Here's the noodles.
Wow. Wow, is that amazing? Very complex taste.
Right? So umami from the soybean paste. I know those two sauces are not so common.
Wow.
Not used so frequently. If you cannot find it, you maybe use hoisin sauce, right? Have similar like a savory taste. Wow.
This is amazing.
Right? Cucumber adds to the freshness.
Are we gonna say anything?
Please try to make it. If you like this video, please give us thumbs
Thumbs
up,
up,
share, and subscribe
subscribe.
for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.